Do you know what we're going to talk about today? Today I sat down and calculate everything. Like when I'm talking about everything, it's about money. Every penny I waste while I was still living with my parents. Yeah, no, wait. Talking about wasting money. Cheers, Yeah. When talking about money, you're supposed to drink a little bit, Every money I waste while I was still living with my parents. I'm going to cover that today, so let's go. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your French boy Monakes again. I hope you guys are doing well. As I said at the beginning, in today's video, we're going to cover something, a little bit different. I'm going to calculate all the money I waste while I was still living with my parents, I realized today, I sat down today and said like, okay, all this money I waste while I was still living. I'm not talking about like the money parents give you for, for school, for transportation and all. No, that's just, a money for chill and all the money I waste. I just want to calculate. I calculate today and I was shocked. I said like, wow. So I want to share with you guys, and maybe this one can help people to realize that, okay, actually I should not waste this one. I should invest, or I should do something important with that. So let's go. First of all, after getting my high school degree, I was living with my uncle because, I left my biological parent and I went to live in another city with my uncle. Everything was okay there. Transportation, my school fees, my pocket money, everything was okay. But on top of that, I was receiving money from my mom, from my sister, and also my side hustle. I don't start today. I started a long time ago. I was doing those side hustle and all. But all this money was going in waste. I was just wasting those money. I was not doing something important with this money. And today I realized like, wow, I really need this money to invest, for example, in Bitcoin or something like that. It might be helpful for me right now, but I realized that it's already waste. But I want to calculate everything today and let you guys know. So let's go directly to do a little bit mathematics. My mom, I was receiving like exactly $70 every 2 weeks from my mom. $70. Okay, $70 is nothing, but if you have like everything and they give you on top of that $70 every 2 weeks is something. It's nothing, but it's something. Yeah. So every 2 weeks, this one I cannot forget. I know my mom was giving me $70 every single week. Yeah, because I have to receive money from my mom. So if you take $70 multiply by 2, because like in a month there is 2 weeks. Yeah, so $70 multiplied by 2 is $140 every single month. So every single month I was receiving $140 from my mom. Yeah. So if you take like, because I was living with my uncle for 3 years, so if you take like $140 multiplied by 12, $140 by 12 is equal $1,680. $1,680 per year. That's what I was receiving from my mom. And this money, I was not, using it for transportation, for anything. No, not even to buy clothes, because like my uncle was taking care of everything. It's just was chilling, the other thing is more also was into chilling that much. So a year, $1,680. So I lived there over 3 years, and I know every single month my mom, it's like a credit card, she have to recharge. Yeah, so $1,680 multiplied by 3, that's $5,040. $5,040 over the 3 years. That's what I received from my mom. $5,040. That's what I received from my mom. That's for my mom's side. I'm talking about my sister now. My sister, sometimes she can give me a little bit high, a bit of amount of, maybe $70, or like she never go below $50, but she gave me once a month. She sent me money only once a month. Yeah. So, I was receiving money for a lot of places. So I take just limit of $50. So if I take $50 multiply by 12, because every single month she send me money. Yeah, that's one I cannot lie. $50 multiplied by 12 is $600. $600 every single year. I receive $600 from my sister, yeah, my elder sister. Yeah, you know, if you're a younger brother, it's good, eh? $600 every single year. If I take like $600 by 3 is equal to, if I do a little bit math, okay, it's equal to $1,800. $1,800. That's what I received from my sister over 3 years. And this one I cannot forget. Every single month I receive money, but all this money going to the place, you know. Yeah. And now my side hustle, because I was not also sitting like that, I was doing those side hustle, and every single month I received, like, from my side hustle, I can get from $120 to $200. $120 to $200 for my side hustle. Yeah, because I like having money on me. If Ismonakes don't have money on his package, he become another person. Yeah, because I don't like, you know, have lack of money and all. So let's do a little bit mathematics about my side hustle. If I take just like 120, yeah, $120 multiplied by 12, like every single month, $120 multiplied by 12 is $1,440. $1,440 every single year. That's what I was receiving from my hustle. It's not that much, but it's, you know, it's good at least, you know. So $1,440 plus $1,800 plus 5,040 cents. Okay, 1 year I received from my side hustle $1,440. If I multiply that by 3, like 3 years, it's about $4,320. $4,320. That's what I was receiving every single year from my side hustle. Yeah, the money I work for myself, $4,320. So if I if I put all this one together, 6,840 plus 4, you know, I put all together, you know, 5,040 plus 180 something, you know, so it's 6,840 plus $4,320. If I put all together, it's about $11,160. $11,160. That's a lot. Like, that's a lot of money. $11,000 is a lot of money. That's what I waste over $11,000, $160. That's what I waste over 3 years of my life living with my uncle, like receiving money for, you know, from 3 different places. And I think, like, you know, I was, you know, those kids who, you know, and at the time I don't even know the other sides of life, you know. I don't know the other sides of life. I was just keeping enjoying life. And I realized, like, wow, I waste all this money. At that time, if I was, you know, I was in this situation where I am right now, I could take this money, like save this money and invest like $11,000. If I invest $11,000 at the time I'm talking right now, maybe this $11,000 is multiplied by 3 or 4. But I don't do all this thing. I just, you know, keeping chilling. Hey, where are you? Let's meet over there. Let's go. We just, you know, chilling, enjoying life. Yes, I don't regret, but for people, for those who are still living with their parents, for people who still living with their parent and everything, you guys have to think about that. Any amount you receive, besides, you know, your parents' allowance and everything, every money, every penny you receive, think about how I will invest this one, how I will multiply this one. Because if you don't know how to multiply your income, you will end up depending on parent or like anybody all the time. and that's not easy, and it's not actually nice. It's not actually nice when you're still depending on your parents at certain age. When you pass like 20 to 24, you're supposed to have at least something coming from your own hustle, or like your own investment. You should not always depend on parents and all. So guys, that's a little bit mathematics that I want to share with you guys. Ismonages wastes 11,000 over 3 years for nothing, for no reason, and I'm regretting today, but it's the experience. I learned something new out of that. I know, okay, now I will not do this mistake again. Yeah, so thank you to watch that video. I hope you guys find value in this video. If it's the case, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, comment below, tell me what you think about this video, and give me suggestion so that I can do better in the next video. For that, I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.